Alright, so your car key fob just stopped working and now you're locked out or struggling to start your car. Don't panic, let me show you how you can fix it in minutes. First, check the battery. Most fobs run on a small coin battery, and when that dies, your key fob won't respond. Look for a tiny slot or screw on your fob. Use a small flathead screwdriver or even a coin to open it up. Carefully remove the old battery and check the number on it, usually something like CR 2032. Replace it with a new one, making sure the positive side goes up. Snap the fob back together and test it out. Still not working? Double check for any sticky buttons or corrosion on the contacts inside. Clean gently using a cotton swab and some rubbing alcohol, just don't soak it. If it's still dead, the fob may need reprogramming. Check your car manual or search your car's make and model plus key fob reprogram online for specific steps. Sometimes it's as easy as turning the ignition on and off a few times with the fob inside. And if all else fails, you might need a replacement, but most of the time, a fresh battery is all it takes. So try these quick fixes before heading to the dealership. You might just save yourself time and money.